I bought a new Bambu Labs P1S printer a couple of weeks ago. Today was the first time I removed the micro SD card. I wanted to transfer some time-lapse videos to my computer, and had not yet set up the FileZilla connection. When I returned the SD card to its slot, the latch would not engage. I tried using a dime to make sure I was pushing the card into the slot completely, but it still would not latch. After I submitted a tech support ticket to Bambu, I decided to try a temporary fix. After setting the SD card in the slot, I wedged a toothpick in the slot on the back side of the card. Next, I pushed the SD card down with a dime and released it. It immediately sprang loose. So, like any good 3D printing hobbyist, I tried again. After the second attempt, the toothpick and SD card stayed in place. To ensure the printer was recognizing the SD card, I checked the cache folder from the printer and started a new print job. I monitored the SD card throughout the print to make sure the vibrations from the machine did not work it loose. If you are having a similar problem with your Bambu Labs model P1S or P1P, this temporary fix should work for you too. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to help spread the word.